Hare Krishna. So, we are here in this beautiful place of Sundarbans. These are all mangrove trees. You can see a nice atmosphere. This is India. India is so amazing. Bharata. According to the scriptures, Bha means knowledge and Rata means the people who stays in this country, they are very much eager to know about spirituality. So, all the Lord's incarnations, 𝗟𝗶𝗸𝗲𝗏𝗄𝗃 Krishnastu Bhagavan Swayam, Indriyari Vakulam Loki Nriyanti Yuge Yuge, mostly came to this holy land of India. India is beautiful because of one reason, because its spirituality. Other countries, they have their own potencies, but India is a place of spirituality. That's why Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he said, Bharat bhumite manusya janma hoilo jar, janma sarthak kori karo karo upakar. The person who have taken birth in this holy land of India, they need to do upakar. Upakar means they need to do some welfare for others. And what is that welfare? That giving Krishna consciousness, a love of God hai. Jare dekho tare kaho Krishna upadesh. We speak about Krishna to others. Because when a person hears about Krishna, he will be the most happiest person in this world. So that's why the specific quality of India is, it gives you spirituality. It gives the inner happiness. And when one person is happy from within, they will be happy all over in their life. So let us all pray to this holy land of bharatbarsha, that we can also get the spirituality and we can be happy in our life. Hare Krishna. So beautiful place, just see.